Salam እንዴት ናችሁ? Welcome to my channel. Here is part 3 of Amharic possessives. We learned about these 5 suffixes in the previous video. If you want to check that out, click on the upper right corner of the screen. For the pronoun I, እኔ in Amharic, the suffix which means my is ye. Ye. Or the A sound. For example, my TV, TVA. TVA. TV is TV in Amharic. My TV, TVA. My job, ስራዬ. 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 My question, ጥያቄዬ. 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 My office, ቢሮዬ. 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 Child, ልጅ. ልጅ. This is the only case in which we use the A sound instead of ye. Only when the noun ends with the I vowel sound. We don't say ልጅ, we say ልጅ. The I sound is not stressed when it is at the end of a word, but it does end with the I vowel sound. ልጅ, child, ልጅ. My child is ልጄ. ልጄ. You add the A sound to j, which becomes the letter J. ልጅ, ልጄ. You're going to learn these 3 suffixes today. አችን, አችሁ, and አቸው. አችን, አችሁ, and አቸው. The suffixes on their own don't mean anything. They give meaning only when attached to a word. As you can see, አቸው is for both their and the respectful or formal way of saying her or his. We use this suffix for both. The rules are the same for these 3 suffixes as they all begin with the letter A. When a noun ends with the A vowel sound like sira, job, shuka, fork, or ጠረጴዛ, table, ጠረጴዛ, the A in the suffix is not necessary. We take out the A. We don't say ስራአችን. Just say ስራችን. ስራችን, our job. ስራችን. Your job, ስራችሁ. 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 Their job, ስራቸው. ስራቸው. ስራቸው can also mean her job or his job when said respectfully or formally. Let's see what happens when a noun ends with the I vowel sound, like ልጅ, ድመት, or ቁጥር. Although these letters have the I sound, j, t, and r, because they come at the end of the word, the I sound is not stressed, which is not the case with the other vowel sounds. So we don't say ልጅ, we say ልጅ. Don't say ድመት. Instead, say ድመት. ድመት, cat. Number is ቁጥር, not ቁጥር. Say ቁጥር. So when a noun ends with the I sound, it merges with the A vowel sound of the suffix. The letters J and A merge and become the letter J. Instead of saying ልጃችን, say ልጃችን. ልጃችን, our child. ልጃችን. Your child, plural. ልጃችሁ. 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 Their child, ልጃቸው. 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 Her child or his child, respectfully or formally, is also ልጃቸው. ልጃቸው. Her child or his child. When a noun ends with the O vowel sound, like biro, office, dabo, bread, or skripto, pen, skripto, the suffix is just as it is. ቢሮአችን. ቢሮአችን, our office. ቢሮአችን. ቢሮአችን. Your office, plural. ቢሮአችሁ. 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 Their office, ቢሮአቸው. 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 Her or his office formally or respectfully, ቢሮአቸው as well. ቢሮአቸው. Her office or his office. Sometimes it might sound like we're saying ቢሮአችን with the W sound. ቢሮአችን or ቢሮአችሁ. ቢሮአቸው. And if it sounds like that when you say it, that's okay. When a noun ends with the A vowel sound, like ጥያቄ, question, ኑዛዜ, will, or ጭካኔ, cruelty, there is a slight ya sound that you can hear. Some people write the suffix as it is with the letter a, but still might pronounce it ya. And others actually write the letter ya instead of the letter a, but both seem to be acceptable. We don't usually say ጥያቄአችን, but instead say ጥያቄአችን with that slight ya sound. ጥያቄአችን. ጥያቄአችን. I don't say ጥያቄአችን. I say ጥያቄአችን. ያችን. Our question. Don't stress too much on the ya. Your question? ጥያቄያችሁ. 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 Their question? ጥያቄያቸው. 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 ጥያቄያቸው, which can also mean her question or his question, respectful or formal. ጥያቄያቸው. When a noun ends with the E vowel sound, like TV, TV is TV in Amharic. It's the same. Suri, pants. Kalsi, socks. This also has the ya sound, which you can write as it is with the letter a, or you can write it with the letter ya. TVያችን, our TV. TVያችን. TVያችን, your TV, TVያችሁ, TVያችሁ, TVያችሁ. Their TV, TVያቸው, 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 which also means her TV or his TV, depending on the context, the respectful or formal way. So we only saw the singular form today. I'll see you on the next video with the plural form.